Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to use one-handed mode on any Android. In the beginning, let's go to settings on your Android smartphone and next go to gestures. Enter one-handed mode, switch this button to enable the shortcut, and it's done. Press this button again to disable this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.